In the YouTube injustice system, not giving a thumbs up for videos and not subscribing offenses are considered especially heinous. In Toronto City, the dedicated YouTuber who releases videos on automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews is the owner of an elite YouTube channel known as Acura Addicted. These are his stories.
It's alive! It's alive!
Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews.